Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ravita Programming. So in this session, I'm going to explain the thread priorities. So there are three different priority that we could set, as per the thread. It is not mandatory to follow the thread priority by the JVM. It could randomly run it, but yeah, it will by default it will give you some level of priority, and it could execute the high priority thread first. So that is possible. So there are three: min priority, norm priority, and the max priority. So norm is by default all the threads are norm priority with the norm priority, but you could set the min and the max. So let's say there is one thread. Let's say it is a norm priority thread, and I'm extending thread class. I'm saying public void run method. Let's see system dot println, and it is norm priority thread. It is by default set to 5. The value of the thread is 5. I'm giving it I'm creating a separate class for each thread. Norm priority. Another class. Let's copy the same class with min priority thread. This is the min priority thread. Min priority thread. Let's save it with the min priority thread. Min. I think first file I saved it as a text instead of saving it as Java. Right, non priority thread.java, and let's create another class with the max priority. So this is with the max priority. So I will add the max here. Let's save it. Max priority. Right, and let me call another class, the main class which will test it. Public class thread priority in public static void main method. String gs. Let me create the class objects norm priority thread. Copy the name. New priority. The main priority. Min priority. Min priority. Min priority. Like max priority. Here also max, max. So now what I will do is like I will create, or I could simply call the thread directly, or because I have extended there, so what I will do is I will just simply call these independently first. Start method, non main start, and the max start. Thread priority on Java, and I'm saying Java C thread priority.java. It is compiled. Now I'm running it. Java thread priority. See, first it is calling the norm, then the max, then the min. So if you see, I mean, ideally max should be the first, right? But uh, min is there obviously because even if I'm calling it, earlier than the max, it is calling that at the end. So let's like run it again. It is same. It is same. So let me set the priority. No, I don't need to set it. What I could do is I could call, let's pass this max priority thread as the set priority. I will say thread dot max, not max. This is the max, but I will set min priority. Let me do this. Compiling. See, I set the max priority thread as the min priority. So it should, max should come at the end. So it's the min priority. See, it is completely random. It's not like whatever you have said will work, as per your requirement. It could run as per, its own JVM way. So this is how you could set the priority on a thread. This is the end of this topic. For more videos like this, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video with another interesting topic. Thank you for watching my videos.